So this is Tom's V160 car that I just swapped McLeod RXT twin disc into. This car had a South Bend single disc clutch, and the customer was really worried about having a very streetable clutch. And I recommended the McLeod because of my past experience with them and how easy they are to drive in the street. And I combined that with one of my V160 adjustable Tilton bearings and a 3/4 master Tilton to master adapter for this Mark IV Supra. And those three combined to provide probably the best driving clutch I've ever driven. This clutch is unsprung, twin disc, like a bronze type material, so it's a metallic type clutch, and it's good for 800 foot-pounds. So this clutch is not like a typical clutch you would think would street well, but when you combine it with the hydraulic system that I put together, it works amazing. So I'm going to show you how just how easy this is to drive, and kind of an ode to my buddy Jay Mager down at Real Street. I have my foot sticking out the door, so I'm going to show you just how easy this thing drives. I'm going to right foot it, try to bring this car out of the hole. You can see just how easy this thing drives. I'm pretty happy with this thing. And you know, typically with a twin disc clutch you get a lot of chatter, and working with McLeod on this clutch, I set it up so that it has a heavier flywheel, so it doesn't have as much chatter, and it just turned out really great. I'm super impressed with this clutch, and I have high hopes for it. So that clutch is available in 3 different stages. It's an RST, there is a RXT, and then an RXT 1200, which is good for 1200 horsepower, or basically about 1,000 wheel torque. So if you're interested in one of these clutches for both the T56 Magnum or the V160, I have them both available. One other thing you'll notice here as this car idles is there's absolutely no clutch chatter whatsoever, even when I push in the clutch. So right now the clutch is down. There is like legit no noise from this clutch. It is amazing. I am so happy with this clutch. This is definitely the best driving clutch. I went for about a 30-minute ride in this car, just to break the clutch in a little bit to get it ready for dyno tuning. But this is by far the best clutch that I have ever driven, as far as a non-carbon twin disc that can hold this kind of power.